The function f(x) is undefined when x equals 2 because this would make the denominator of the fraction equal to 0. Dividing by 0 is undefined. We can simplify the expression by expanding the products. X plus 2, x3, x4, x plus 1 equals x superscript 2 x6, x superscript 2 3x4 equals x superscript 2 x6 x superscript 2 plus 3x plus 4 equals 2x2. Therefore, the expression is equivalent to 2x2, which is equivalent to 2x plus 10 after adding 12 to both sides. Adding the two equations together eliminates y, 2x plus 3y, plus, for x 3y equals 12 plus 6. This simplifies to 6x equals 18. Dividing both sides by 6 gives x equals 3. We can factor the numerator and denominator to simplify the expression. The numerator factors as x plus 4, x1, and the denominator factors as x plus 1, x1. The common factor of x1 cancels out, leaving us with x plus 4 / x plus 1. The area of a rectangle is calculated by multiplying its length and width. Therefore, the area of this rectangle is 12 times 5 equals 60 square meters. Adding the two equations together, we eliminate the y terms, x plus 2y plus x2y equals 10 plus 6. This simplifies to 2x equals 16. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 8. Adding 6 to both sides of the equation yields 3x equals 18. Dividing both sides of this equation by 3 yields x equals 6. We know that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4, or 2. Therefore, x equals 4. To find out how much each friend will pay, we divide the total cost of the trip by the number of friends /480/6 equals /80. The probability of an event is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. In this case, there are 60 students who prefer to study in a quiet environment, and there are 100 students total. Therefore, the probability of selecting a student who prefers to study in a quiet environment is 60/100, or 0.6. We can solve for x using the elimination method. Multiplying the second equation by 3, we get 3x 3y equals 3. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 5, we get x equals 3. A regular hexagon has 6 equal sides. Therefore, the perimeter is 6 times 6 equals 36.